Hello everyone, in this video I have discussed the section C answer key of today's exam question paper of class 10 standard maths. So section C is comprises of question from 26 to 31. So one by one I have discussed everything in detail. So please do watch the video till end. So this is question 26A question. In a class test, Veer scored 6 more than twice as many marks as Kevin scored. So we'll assume let the marks scored by Kevin is X. I'm writing in short. So the marks scored by Veer will be 2x plus 6. Then it is given if one of them had scored 4 more marks. I don't know whether it is Kevin or Veer. Any one of them, if they have scored 4 more marks, then their total marks would have been 40. So see, now we can do two things. Either we add 4 in both the sum of their score, in that you add 4, it will be equal to 40. Or if you add Kevin and Veer present mark, then it should be 4 less than 40. It should be 36. Any one way you can solve. So it is 3x plus 10 equal to 40. So if you solve it, you will get 3x equal to 40 minus 10, which is 30. So the x value will be 30 by 3, which is equal to 10. So marks scored by Kevin is 10 and marks scored by Veer will be 2 into 10 plus 6, which is equal to 26. Okay. So in question number 27, chord AB of a circle with center O and radius 21 millimeters subtends an angle 120 degree at the center. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay. Shaded region is this, means you have to find the perimeter of this arc AB plus this chord AB measure you have to find. Okay. So we already know how to find the length of the arc. So to find the length of the arc, the formula is arc length. Okay, the formula is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So theta is 120, 120 divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. So 7 times 3, 120 times 3 is 360, 3 and 3 cancel. So arc length is 44 meter. Now next challenge is to find the length of the chord AB. So for that I am doing one construction. I am dropping a perpendicular from center to the chord. And what we know, if you drop a perpendicular from center to the chord will bisect. Okay, so AE is equal to AB. Now if you take triangle OAB, it's an isosceles triangle because OA and OB is the radius of the circle. So so if OA and OB is equal, the angle of the angle OAB and angle OBA will be equal, isn't it? Because sides are equal, so angle opposite to it will be equal. So x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree, and if you solve it using angle sum property, okay, I'm assuming this angle is x, this angle is also x. So what it will become? X plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So you will get x as 30 degree. Okay. Now OA measure you already know, it is 21. So now we are going to use the concept of trigonometry. So we can find like cos 30 degree will be equal to AE by OA. Okay, in triangle OEA. From here I will get the value of AE. So AE will be cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 into OA is 21. Now, so AE value you got it here as cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into 21. Now let's solve it quickly. So it will be 21 into 1.73 divided by 2. So now simplify it fast. So this is the value of AE, but we have to find the measure of AB, isn't it? Because AB is the chord. So AB will be twice of AE. So from here I will write AB is equal to 2 times of AE. So it is 2 into 21 into 1.73 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. And 21 into 1.73 will give you 36.33. So the perimeter will be 36.33 plus 44. Okay, so 36.33 plus 44, if you will add it, you will get the answer as 80.33 millimeter. So this is the answer for question number 27. Question number 28, prove that sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So your RHS in terms of sec theta and tan theta, so try to convert LHS also in terms of sec theta and tan theta. So here LHS will be, in LHS what you will do, divide cos theta on both numerator and denominator. So sin theta by cos theta will become tan theta, cos theta by cos theta will become 1 and 1 by cos theta will become sec theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay. Now next step what I will do, I'm just going to rearrange it, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta, and in place of plus 1 I'm going to use the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Next step, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 and then take common, see sec square theta minus tan square theta is sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. So I'm going to take sec theta minus tan theta common. Okay. So from first step, okay, here it is tan theta minus sec theta. It means if you take sec theta minus tan theta common, you will be left with minus 1. Plus in the second part, sec theta minus tan theta I already took common. You will be left with sec theta plus tan theta. So this and this will get cancelled out. Okay. So your answer is going to be 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This is your answer. Okay. Now we move to question number 29. Question 29a. To protect plants from heat, a shade of iron rods covered with green cloth is made. The lower part of the shade is a cuboid mounted by semi-cylinder. Find the area of the cloth required to make this shade if dimension of the cuboids are given. So the cloth needed is only in the cuboidal part, if you see, not on the top, not on the bottom, only in the four side. So you have to find the lateral surface area of the cuboid. The formula is 2 times height into L plus B. So it will be 2 into height is 16 and L plus B is 25 plus 14. 25 plus 14 will give you 39. So answer is 32 into 39, which will be 1248 meter square. Next you have to find the value for this cylindrical part. Okay. So this is actually half of the total surface area. So for cylinder it will be total surface area divided by 2. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r h plus r divided by 2. Now radius will be half of the 14. This part is 7. So it will be 22 by 7 into 7. Height of the cylinder is this. Okay, this is 25 plus radius is 7. So 7 and 7 cancel. It is 22 into 32. So answer is 704 meter square. So area of the cloth needed will be 1248 plus 704. So if you do it, you will get 1952 meter square as your answer. Now this is the OR part of the question. The internal and external radii of a hollow hemisphere are 5 root 2 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. A cone of height 5 root 7 centimeter and radius 5 root 2 centimeter is surmounted on the hemisphere as shown in the figure. Find the total surface area of the object in terms of pi. Okay, so total surface area of the object will be the surface area of this cone plus this ring part plus the surface area of this hemisphere part. Okay, so first we will find the surface area of the cone. So that formula is pi r L, but slant height is not given. So first we will find the slant height of the cone. So L will be root of h square plus r square. H square is 5 root 7 whole square plus 5 root 2 whole square. So from here if you solve, 5 root 7 value is 175 plus 50. You will get root of 225, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So for surface area of cone is pi r l. So pi will remain as it is because you have to give answer in pi only. Radius is 5 root 2 and L is 15. So 15 into 5, 75 root 2 pi centimeter square is the surface area of the cone. Then you find the surface area of the ring. It will be pi times capital R square minus small r square. So the hemisphere, the external radius is 10. So 10 square minus 5 root 2 whole square. So from here you will get 100 minus 50, which is 50 pi. Next you have to find the surface area of the hemisphere, the outer hemisphere. It will be 2 pi capital R square. So 2 pi and capital R square, it will be 10 square. So from here you will get 200 pi. So the total surface area will be 75 root 2 pi plus 50 pi plus 200 pi. Now put the value of root 2. So 75 into 1.4 plus 50 plus 200 is 250 and I have taken pi as common. Now 75 into 1.4 will give me 105 plus 250 pi. So from here you will get the answer as 355 pi centimeter square. So this was the or part of the question number 29. Question 30. A bag contains 30 balls out of which m number of balls are blue in color. Find the probability that the ball drawn at random from the bag is not blue. So if m number of balls are blue, so not blue color will be 30 minus m. So the probability will be 30 minus m divided by 30. So this is the answer for the first part. Now the second part, if 6 more balls are added in the bag, 6 more blue balls, then the number of blue ball will become now m plus 6. Blue ball will become m plus 6 and total ball will become 30 plus 6, 36. Then the probability of drawing a blue ball, which will be m plus 6 by 36, is equal to 5 by 4 times the probability of drawing a blue ball in the first case. So in the first case, there were m balls out of 30. So probability will be m by 30. Now solve it. 5 times 5 6 are 30. So m plus 6 equal to 36 into m by 4 into 6. 6 times 6. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now cross multiply. So 2 times m plus 6 equal to 3m. So from here you will get 2m plus 12 equal to 3m, means 3m minus 2m is m equal to 12. So this is the answer for question number 30. So question number 31 is find the greatest number less than 10,000 which is exactly divisible by 48, 60 and 65. Now think, if the number is exactly divisible by all these three, it means the number should be the multiple of these numbers, right? So whenever concept of multiple comes, you have to find the LCM. So let's find the LCM of 48 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 16 into 3 is 48. Now 60 is 12 times 5. 12 is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. And 65 will be 5 into 13. So LCM is going to be 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 into 13. And if you multiply, you will get 3120. Now after that, you have to divide 10,000 with 3 from 3120. So if you divide it 3 times, you will get 9,360. And if you subtract You will get here 640. So the required number will be 10,000 minus 640, which is 9,360. So this will be the answer. Okay. So I'm done with section C also, all the questions. Do watch my video till the end and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.